One West Ada School Board trustee who is taking his own district to court. He says schools are violating the state constitution by adding fees for things like science labs and sports teams and field trips. Jake Melder is live in studio with the story.
On the very first line of the Idaho Constitution, in the section concerning schools, it says the legislature must establish a system of free schools. For one lifelong educator, things begin and end there, and he says parents shouldn't pay extra fees. Months after winning his seat on the West Ada School Board, Russ Jokey is on the witness stand, testifying against the district. He's fighting fees West Ada schools charge for co-curricular classes. That includes $15 for athletic tape used in a sports medicine course, or a $30 fee for clay in a pottery class. These classes count for credit to graduate from the system, and so, Jokey argues, all supplies should be paid for by the district.
It should be a clear pathway, uninhibited, without discrimination. Open access all along the way.
Jokey believes the constitutional mandate for free schools extends to anything sanctioned by the school. He says if the school pays for a math class, it should also pay for the football team, and that both are essential to education.
The entire education program is halved. It cannot be fully appreciated. It cannot be fully offered without this other half.
His argument has received the support of former state superintendent Jerry Evans.
If the fee stands in the way of taking a class that could lead them to what it is they want to do later, if it stands in the way, it becomes an obstacle, then I think it is basically a violation of the concept of the free common school.
But Jokey's argument leads to a slippery slope of much more financial support through public schools, something the defense pointed out.
Good eyesight may be valuable too. Should they provide glasses to all the students?
Yes, they should.
They should? Okay. Clothing?
If the student does not have clothing, yes.
Medical care?
We have clinics in the West Ada School District providing medical care, so I guess we're doing that too.
The lawyer for Jokey said it would cost roughly $1,000 in extra fees for a student to go through high school. If all those costs are placed on the school, it will mean a district like West Ada will need millions of dollars more in funding from the state. A judge will now decide. Live in studio, Jake Melder, 6 on your side.